Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create mockup in Figma. We are using plugins to create amazing mockups. Go to the plugins and search Artboard Studio Mockups. I've already installed it, so let's dive in. This plugin offers a range of mockup devices. If you purchase their premium version, you get more options, but the free version has plenty to offer. To filter free items, go to All Items and click on Free Items. Select a mockup device you like. I'll choose this one. Click on it to add it to the canvas. Each device comes with a frame and the device itself. Add your design to the frame. Here's my design, which I'll duplicate and bring inside the frame. Align and resize it to fit the frame perfectly. Once it fits, click on the frame again and select Render Selected Frame. And there you go. Your design is now beautifully rendered on the device. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.